Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Discord not opening in Windows 11. Right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click Process tab. Right-click Discord, click End Task. Right-click Start button, click Run. Type %temp%, click OK. Delete any folder contain Discord. Right-click Discord shortcut, click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.